Hi guys! Thanks for watching my first YouTube video. So for the first video, I actually was really interested in these thredUP rescue boxes, and I watched a lot of other people unbox theirs, so I was really curious and I went ahead and bought one. So what we're going to do today is unbox my thredUP box. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark and a few other platforms. My name is Courtney, and you can find me at MILOSMARKET on Instagram and on Poshmark and on Mercari and on Depop. So I'll go ahead and put my name down here, and you can follow me over on those other platforms. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. This is what the thredUP box looks like when it comes. I did already open this because I couldn't help myself. I was really curious and super excited to open this. It came last week, the day before I left for Posh Fest, and I just couldn't stop myself. So this is what it looks like when it comes. I did put everything back in the box to hold on to it so I can make a video, but it's in a nice box, and it's pretty jam-packed. Mine was anyways. So you open it, and it did have like its pretty little tissue paper, and there are little stickers in here, but since I've already opened it, this is what it looks like now. So the first thing that was in this box was this really freaking hilarious cat lady bag. It's like a tie-dye bag. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says cat lady box right there. I kind of expected it to be covered in cat hair, but it wasn't, so that was nice. And it's really super clean on the inside, and it's just a duffel bag, but it just has these really funny cats on it. So I'm probably gonna list this on Mercari or Depop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on Poshmark. It has like a front pocket also, but I think it's pretty funny and it's kind of cute if you're a cat lady, right? If you had dogs on it, I'd totally carry it. So that is the first thing. So I don't remember how many things were in this box, but that's the first thing. So number one item. Next is this BP, I believe it's BP. Yeah, BP one size acrylic beanie type thing with like this little furry on top of it. I believe BP is from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, there's this cute little hat. I think it's pretty trendy. I'll list it on Poshmark. So that's the second thing. The next thing is this Lulu by Lulu Guinness wallet. I really like the color. I think it's really pretty. It has this cute little polka dots in the back, and it's actually a really nice wallet. It's not damaged at all. I don't really see any signs of wear, and it has all of these pockets. This is my favorite type of wallet. It has like a million pockets for cards, so you never lose anything. And it does have the zip thing on the back for coins, and it has little slit, like if you want to put dollar bills in there. So yeah, this wallet, I think it's pretty cute. I don't know the value of any of these things. I didn't look them up. I just opened the box and looked through it really quick when I got it, but I decided when I got it I should make it a YouTube video. So I haven't looked it up yet, but I will share results later on to see how this box did. So that's the third thing. This next thing is super cute. I really like it. I kind of want to keep it. It's got these tassels on it. It's really soft leather. I believe it's leather. Yeah, it's 100% leather. The trim is 100% cotton, and it has this cute interior, and this is the front. I think it's adorable. It's totally my style. I would carry this. But I don't know what this brand says, so if anyone knows, it's like, it's kind of hard to see. MHP Plus? I don't know. But that's what it says on the inside. I honestly think it's really cute. I kind of want to keep it. I'm going to keep it. So that's the fourth thing. So it's pretty much all been accessories so far. I'll go back over what they say is included in one of these boxes. It just says reject box, fun box, thredUP price $15, and I know I paid shipping on this also. I'll include it in the description. I can't remember how much shipping costs were, but there's the receipt if you want to. It's kind of hard to read, but yeah, it was $15. Okay, Next thing is, and I do think they packaged this up pretty well for it to be a reject box, or what is it called? Yeah, reject box. I would kind of think they just like dumped everything in there, but they didn't, so that's nice. These are new tag sunglasses. They're from Target. They still have the, it says Club Master is the style. They still have the price tag on them for $16.99. They're pretty cute. Let me see. I like them. I might keep them. I'm in the market for a new pair of sunglasses. So these are cute. So those are new tags. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be selling this stuff and I'm just like trying to keep everything. So here's the next thing. I don't know what this thing is. A keychain, I guess. It says something on it. I don't know what this says. I have no idea what this is. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. Let me see if I can show you more clearly. Yeah, no idea what this is. Yeah, literally have no clue. Okay, well, don't know what we're going to be doing with that because don't know what it is. But if somebody knows, let me know. Okay, next, this is cute. It's got like some fuzzy little balls on it. I believe it's like a, what are those scarves called? Just like goes over your whole neck and you just slide down. That's what it looks like to me. It's from H&M, one size, it feels wool. It's nylon wool and Angora. I think it's a cute little scarf. Can you see the whole thing? It's pretty cute. So I'll sell that on Poshmark. Okay. Oh, the fuzz is everywhere from that thing. Okay. These are Champion, which I believe is sold at Target. Also new with tags, little like beach flip-flops, I guess, or like, I don't know, you know, the kind of thing you see people wearing in the shower room at a gym. What is that shower room? Locker room. In a locker room. They're size 6. I think they're ladies. Sport sandal, it says. So I'll sell these probably on Mercari. Okay, those are, so that's the second new tag item that was in that box. Okay, here is a really pretty headband. It's like a brushed rose gold. It doesn't have a brand on it, I don't think. Oh, it does. It says Jen Atkin and Chloe Isabel. I think I've heard of Chloe Isabel before, but I'll have to look it up. But this is really pretty. I like that. I used to have a headband like this in gold. I broke it. But that's cute. I'll sell that. Or I'll look it up to sell it. And I believe the last item in this box is a pair of Kathy Ireland luxury foot covers. 2 pair of non-slip little sock, half sock footy things. I mean, they're new tags also. I'll probably sell them on Mercari. Or leave them like as a little gift in a box or in a bundle order on Poshmark maybe. But yeah, so we got 1, 2. This is the only really weird thing that I have no idea what it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I definitely think I can make my $15 back. I think it might have been around $21 with shipping. This is probably my favorite thing, this really cute wallet. Oh no, actually, I really liked this too. I don't know, it's hard. There was a lot of cute stuff in here. So 10 things and 3 of them were new with tags. I would definitely say that that's a win for $15 box. What's considered a reject box, a fun box. And I'll probably buy another one because that was pretty fun to me to unbox that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will try to keep y'all updated on how this stuff sells. I'm going to photograph and list it this week, or in the next week coming up, and then maybe I'll do another video on how this stuff sold, or if any of it's sold, and let you know what happens. And I'll look up those brands and see how they do on Poshmark. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye!